be busy in positive way.
Twongeye kubasuhuza abakurikirana ibiganiro binyura ku murongo wa YouTube channel yitwa Dream Big TV Show. Nkuko twabivuze tugora ku biganiro cyane cyane bijyana n'uburezi, tutabatindiye turi kumwe n'abana bari mu kigo cy'ishuri, ntago bari mu biruhuko, turamenya impamvu batari mu biruhuko, tumenye impamvu bari hano. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Irebere. I'm 11 years old. I'm from St. Jacob's School. I study in P6 Township.
You must be in holidays. Why are you here?
Yes, we are not wrong. The reason why we are here is for the program called Hero Vacants. It comes to help all learners who are in holidays to be busy in light ways, not negative way like watching harmful movies, fighting, delinquents, something like that. As young children, the school is helping us to be busy in positive way, not negative way, and so that we can improve our skills. Thank you, that's why we are here.
My name is Agiraneza Odakorite. I have 12 years old. I study at St. Jacob's School and in P6 class. Thank you.
I think you will be in vacancy. Why are you here?